Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my room, I'm the only person who can post me wherever I need. I decided to paint a self-portrait. The pigtails make the mood of this picture. I sketch using orange paint. I think the picture will be more interesting if I send my arm this way. I'm looking for the hue and form. I decided to add more juicy colors. I like the difference between sunburn and pale skin. The palette is heavy to sketch. I have to show anatomy and find a right color. I show what I see at mirror. I try to find appropriate position of the hands in search of the form. When you have finished a sketch and add more colors, time for background. Yes, I didn't wash my brush completely, so that's why background looks very orange. Sometimes I hide the mirror, you understand why. I leave details such as nails and ring for later. Now I painted my arm, focusing on fingers and palm position. For now my side looks very nervous because the place under eyes is not painted completely. Sometimes when you are looking for the right hue, contour of the picture can shift, so be careful. Right shoulders is a lift a small bit. Now I'm working with chest. I like the dark rose and orange colors in the shadow. It is the game with light and shadow because you paint one part which connects with another. One part of the face is located in shadows. Forehead seems to be a bit violet, right cheek orange. The lightest part of face is a nose. Smooth the contrast at my face a bit. It's the perfect time to add some details. The shadow on the chin is deeper. Add some light over the eyebrow. Correct the hair. The top of hair from the left side looks colder than from the right. It was a good decision to start from face. I need to pay more attention to my shoulder and neck. Show the stain from the swimsuit. Put an accent in the foreground. Color of sunburned body is a bit brown and hue is orange and partly green. Paradoxically, hues of different colors fit to each other. The picture is in the wrong hue, what is not interesting, so we must fix it. Correct the chest and to detail the fingers. I use rose hue in order to show the light shadows between fingers. Add more light and dark colors to show how palm looks like. More details. Reduce the right side of hair. Work with a large brush. The right hand looks bigger than the left because I didn't erase the first sketch of it. If I can't find the line, for example at finger, I'm looking for the angle. I don't like the mirror here because all time when I made this video I was scared that some part of my body reflected it. You can erase the problem part and start again as do it I. As you remember, the winner of the last week competition is Tomokida. So let's draw together. Firstly, I draw a sketch starting from large object and then add some details gradually. Don't press the pencil too strong. It is a way to make a small correction easier. The drawing looks so grey now because during first 20 minutes I usually use only pencil H2. If you like proportion of your sketch and shadows, time to second step has come. For second step I use pencil with soft end from 2B to 6B. For third step I use 8B or black pencil or charcoal, whatever you want. For fourth step I erase all part that must be white and correct the shadows on the face. Don't forget to sign. Thanks for participating, I hope you enjoy it. Guess what? It's a beautiful day to gather 800 flowers. If someone don't know how many is it, just look. I cut the yellow part because I need only pollen. It is very warm outside and the weather is beautiful. Now I'm hurrying up to home because if the petals close, game is over. Boil for 10 minutes and add lemon juice. Add some sugar. Don't forget to mix. I pasteurize jars in micro for 5 minutes. Boil for 40 minutes. Pour the finished mixture into jars. I have an assistant that helped me. So, from 800 flowers, 8 cans of syrup come. If you want honey, you should boil it longer. The syrup came out very tasty and wholesome. Probably next week I will do it again. Bon appetit! The first solution came to my brain very quickly. If I don't have a light, I don't have to wait till sunset to have a constant artificial light. I can see anything without light, so now windows in my room are all time opened. Thank you for being with me. See you next time. Bye! New video every week. Don't forget to subscribe and comment.